Hi, in this video I will show you how to create NFT collections. We go to My Collections, we select button Create a Collection. As you see here, there's a lot of options. The first option is logo image. We choose image for our collection. As you see here, we select this image, for example, a cut image. You see here featured image, banner image. You do whatever you want. You're gonna name your collections. Like here we see, for example, we're gonna type most NFT, and for your URL you gonna type the same name. Enter a value must only contain lowercase letters, numbers and hyphens. As you see here, this URL is valid now. As you see, make sure you write a description. Like here we type our unique NFT or awesome NFT, or it depends on your NFT. As you see here, we type our NFT is unique. Go to category, choose art or collectibles or music or photography. It depends on your NFT. Here you see your website, your Discord community, if you have Instagram, if you have Medium, if you have Telegram. Here you're gonna choose the percentage fee of your if someone buys your item, you're gonna profit from his selling your item. And then your payout wallet address, make sure you type this because the money goes to your wallet. And finally the blockchain is if you wanna pay the gas fees. If you don't, you have to choose Polygon because the Polygon is gas free. You will never pay anything. And click save. And here you congratulations for your first collection in NFT.